Hi, welcome to the course Identity Federation using ADFS and Azure AD. My name is Himanshu Rana and I am the instructor of this course. I am a Microsoft certified trainer and consultant with 12 plus years of experience in IT training and consulting services. I am also the instructor of some of the best-selling courses in Udemy, where I have taught students from 150 plus countries. Here is what students saying about my courses. So, what you will learn in this course? As the title suggests, in this course you will learn all about identity federation, which means how you can allow external parties to access your organization's applications. While more and more organizations are using Azure, hence they are looking for ways to collaborate with their partners without taking headache of managing the external users' identities in their own directory, and yet able to enforce their organizational security policies. You will learn to deploy and configure OAuth ADFS in Azure Infrastructure as a Service to allow internal and external users to access your claim-aware application in your organization. You will also learn to configure federation between Azure AD and ADFS to allow Azure AD to authenticate your organization's user without syncing their password in the cloud. You will also learn how to switch from ADFS to Azure AD for authentication by using password hash synchronization, which is known as in short PHS, and pass-through authentication or PTA. And at last, you will see how to configure B2B and B2C, which is business to business and business to customer in Azure AD, to allow external parties to access your applications and collaborate together to work on projects. So what you will be getting in this course? You will be getting a 7+ hours of comprehensive course, which is a unique course on its own in this marketplace. You will see a lot of hands-on along with their theory to make you conceptually and practically sound. And after completion of the course, you will also get a certificate from Udemy, but for that you have to complete the course 100%. I'm sure that you're gonna love this course. However, Udemy offers 30 days money back guarantee just in case you don't like it. So it's a win-win situation for you. So waiting for what? Hit the enroll button now and I will see you inside the course.